This video is optional if you want the additional information. I'm going to go ahead and just show you while I'm doing it, building out the hip hop and country class and having the methods again be inherited from, and the variables from, the music class. So again, we'll go here. We're going to call this class hip hop. We'll hit finish. And again, the first thing we want to do with the hip hop class here is we want to make sure that it is a child of the music class. If we were to make it a child of the rock class, then it would also inherit the music class and the rock's class properties. But that's not the way we charted it out. So here we're going to just do two quick variables that we'll test. We're going to see if our hip hop song has swearing, but then we're also going to have a little fun with how a lot of hip hop songs talk about money. So we'll have the total amount of money involved within a song. In fact, let's go ahead and first build, since it's a shorter time span, our two return methods to access this information. If we have swearing, then we're going to return swearing, and we're going to return call it get money. We're going to return the amount of money, the money amount. Okay, go ahead and move this too so you can see the screen a little better. Now we just got to build our two hip hop objects. So remember, when we're using our constructors with inheritance here, I'm going to build this out. I'm going to set swearing equal to false and the money amount equal to nothing, because no information was given to us. So that's our foolproof that something will be returned without necessarily having an error. And then, to be consistent, we want to grab the order that we had our first four in the music object. We'll paste them here, and then we're going to do the two unique ones that we have here. So we'll call it Boolean curse and double. We'll just call it straight up money here, and then we're going to assign them to this particular hippity hoppity object. So this dot beat equals B. This dot lyrics equals liar. This dot artist equals art. Hey, I finally spelled it right in the optional video. This dot title equals title. This dot swearing equals curse, and this dot money amount equals the money passed over. So let's go ahead, and I want to just show you another little trick here with receiving the information. We'll go ahead and delete our rock object here. We're going to call to our hip hop object, hip hop Luda equals new hip hop, and then we'll pass down the 6 things that belong to this object, which are again the beat. So Luda usually does a lot of up-tempo music. He always has lyrics. Call it ludicrous. Trying to think of, he was featured in How Do You Sleep? That was a clean song. Swearing actually equals false in that one. And then money, yeah, I don't think they actually mentioned money in that one. Although he talks about his car, so we'll assess it at $20,000. There we go. Now, some other things that we can do is we can pull out the individual information from the object and print them out into certain things. So, for example, string song title, if that's a local variable that we named here, we could say equals luda dot get title. And then we can just go print line, say the title of the song is plus song title. So we can do that. We'll run it. And there it shows up perfectly. We can also, though, refer to it right inside of the print line as well. Go saying the speed of the song is plus, and we could call straight up to luda, and we could either call straight to the variable, or the best practice is to call to the method that accesses it, which would be getBeat, and then once you spell all your words right, the beat should show up here as well at 160. So some different ways to print and access your information as well as work with it.